If you sell your products offline at markets or craft fairs, use our integration with Square to take payments that integrate with your online store. Sales you make in person will update your inventory, display in the orders panel, and factor into your sales analytics. Once the payments are processed, the funds will go to your bank account linked to your Square account. First, connect your Square account to the Squarespace app. In the app, log in and select your site. Click Get Started. Tap Allow to accept all required permissions and follow the prompts to connect your Square account. Then choose your business location. Depending on which Square reader you have, connect it to your phone by using the headphone jack or through your Bluetooth connection. Now you're ready to sell. To start selling, click on Sell Now. On the product screen, find and tap on the item you want to sell to add them to the bag. If it isn't in your inventory, you can choose Custom Amount. Once ready, tap Bag to check out. If you want to create a discount for your customer, tap Discount, choose Percent or Amount, set the discount, and then tap Add Discount. When you're ready to check out, tap Charge. Your customer can swipe, insert, or tap their credit card using the Square reader. It's even possible to accept cash for any transactions. All you have to do is tap Cash. Once the transaction is complete, the app will offer your customers the option to have the receipt emailed to them, or they can tap Skip if they don't want one. Once complete, the order will automatically display as fulfilled in the Orders tab in the Squarespace app, as well as on your computer. Please let us know if you have any questions. We're always here to help.